So how many birds today?
We got a total of 2 possible kills because we couldn't find any of them, so no confirmed. But we're still sitting out here, and they put us in the crappie field. Not gonna lie.
Yeah. Well, we'll see what happens.
End of the day update we'll give to y'all. Hopefully we'll be holding about 12 in each hand.
We've been out here for 40 minutes and haven't saw one bird, and Braden's dad came over here and was wondering about him shooting one over there in them woods, but it's just been a slow day so far. We've watched a bunch of them go by and not took a shot, and that's their fault, and it is what it is.
Get that camera out my face. In that moment, I hadn't shot a bird for 2 hours.
Well, we've been out here all day. Ain't really, only thing, I'm gonna be honest, the only thing we killed was time. So, hard day, we'll learn from it, get to the next day, and we'll see what we can do. See y'all on the next one.